My name is Shauna Ricketts. My husband and I attended the home show at the convention center. We were wandering around and found EcoPoxy, and we were getting ready to do our countertop and didn't want to spend a lot of money on our countertop like with granite. So we asked some questions and found out that we could indeed use this product as a countertop. And then we inquired a little bit more, and they also offer some classes where we both attended. And we ended up just falling in love with the product because it's very durable, shiny, it's exactly what we wanted, and it was really affordable. You can put EcoPoxy right over top of an existing countertop, but because our countertop was damaged, we had to use MDF, which was the smoother board that they recommended to do. So just primed it white, and then we used EcoPoxy on top of that. Originally, we wanted it to look a little bit like marble or granite. And at first we weren't sure, how's this gonna go? How hard will this be? When we were putting it on, we were probably a little bit nervous, but really there is a lot of time when you're applying it, so you can't really make a mistake. I probably would recommend doing like a little board first before you actually tackle a big countertop, just to calm your nerves a little bit. But it wasn't as hard as we thought it was gonna be. And we've gone on to do other things after the countertop was done, like stuff we were gonna throw in the garbage that we actually ended up making it look really beautiful. So it's not difficult at all, and it's very inexpensive in the long run. You don't have to be an artist to work with this product, and you don't have to have any experience to work with this product. It's very easy. You just basically just apply it with your hands. You can't make a mistake because it's self-leveling. It gives you a lot of time to work with the product. And the other thing I really love about the product is that a lot of resins are really kind of dangerous. You have to use respirator. With this product, because it's eco-friendly, there is virtually no smell at all, and you don't have to worry about chemicals and the smell in your house. You can't go wrong with this product. It works great. The final result was probably nicer than we thought it would be. It's very affordable, very durable, very pretty. That's the kind of look that we wanted, and I would recommend it to anybody. It's great.